Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Ardo Calypso Essential. Thank you for watching my channel. It's your breast friend Ashley. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I'm going to pull out here is the car adapter. This came really helpful as when I was a server I would have to go to the car and pump because there was not a pumping room. We have the cooler bag, the carry-on bag. You can place your pump in it. You can put an ice pack in it to hold your bottles. What we have up here next is the bottle, tubing, the breast shell with the lip valve and an extra lip valve. So in that bag total you'll have 2 lip valves. Here's the adapter. This is an important part right here. This will help you with double pumping. So you'll keep one side closed if you're single pumping and the other side open if you plan on double pumping, but we'll go into that in a minute. We have another bag with the same items, the bottle, the breast shell, the tubing, an extra lip valve, and tubing. Alright, here we go. Here's the Ardo Calypso breast pump motor. It's small, it's lightweight, it will easily fit into the black carry-on bag that comes with your Ardo Calypso Essentials kit. And here we have the power adapter as well as 2 of the bottle stands. Now these are really helpful as when you are pumping and you are done pumping, placing them into the bottle stand will be really helpful because it will be a little top heavy. This is the pump set and accessories book. This is the manual for your breast pump. It has a lot of really good information to look over. This is a quick guide to troubleshooting. So there we go, that's everything that will come into your box. When it comes to assembling your breast pump, you want to make sure that the lip valve is flush to the breast shell before attaching the bottle to it. Make sure that that lip valve is closed, it doesn't have any rips. So next we're going to want to grab this clear silicone piece and make sure that it is flush to the top of the breast shell. After that we will be putting on the cover. Make sure that when you screw it on, the back of it is where that you will attach the tubing to it. Next we're going to attach the bottle. As you can see, I had a little bit of a difficult time with that. Okay, now we're putting on the tubing to the cover of the breast shell. And then we're going to plug it into the bottom of the breast pump. Alright, now that we have it plugged into the breast pump, I'm going to demo with you on getting started. So when babies start to breastfeed, they will suck very quickly. They will have rapid sucking motions and a low suction strength. This causes the milk to release. This can be replicated by having a higher cycle level and selecting a weaker vacuum. Once your milk begins to flow, you can turn down the cycle and turn up the vacuum to what is comfortable to you. And as you can see here with the demo breast, you can see it pulling in. So when pumping, you want to center your nipple in so that when pumping, it moves freely into the breast shell. And here's a good visual for that. Okay, so now we're going to go over double pumping. You'll want to do the same setup as we did before, attaching the tubing to the breast shell. That piece that I discussed earlier, I want you to remove that from one of the sets. Then you'll want to place the end of that tubing onto your first set, onto that tubing connector. Remove that little piece that we discussed earlier and place it on have both pieces attached, then we're going to place it right into the motor and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching my video. I'm here to answer any questions that you have about the Ardo Calypso and for any breastfeeding and breast pumping supports. Again, thank you for watching my channel. This is your breast friend, Ashley.